friends, welcome back to my channel. My sister is back in the US. Hi sis. So she brought with her some of the merch that I sent to her address in Korea. We'll do a quick haul before we leave the hotel to go do errands this morning. Yeah, we are in San Francisco. We'll be spending 2 days here and then a week in Los Angeles, and then we'll be in New York in a week. All right, anyway, first she got me this butter lollipop. I asked her to get some stuff at the pop-up store. She got this for me. Here's a badge. This one is a freebie. What? I didn't know it comes with a postcard. That's beautiful. This one is also from the pop-up store, the postcard book. Here are some of the tea money, the square tea money that she managed to find. When were these released? Were these like September? From the pop-up store, the zip-up hoodie. Collection. The last one is my 8th term army membership kit. Yeah, I'm gonna do a separate unboxing video for this, the little wishes, but right now I just want to open the early bird gifts because I want to use one of the PCs in here, put it on my phone. There are 3 things. First, what is this? Oh, that's a fancy card. Thick, it's like a credit card thickness. And then, oh, all of them. Oh, no, these are thinner. We have the transparent cards. They also had these 4 in the Soop one, the first one. They had transparent cards like these. There you go, my friends. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.